the heck is that? Y'all wanna run it? Hey dude.
What's up, dude?
You're messing my video up.
Hey, you're messing mine up.
That's a Ford. Like, let me cheat real quick. It's let me cheat. It's a 1940 Ford Coupe.
Really? Is it really?
Yeah.
How'd you find that out?
It's my knowledge base.
That's cool.
Knowledge.
See, now, if you tested me down this road, we're not doing it.
No.
Not doing it.
I'm not doing it either, so. No.
Hey, y'all. Here we go. Hey, Lynn.
Hey, did you hear what
time for
Hey,
you?
did you? Hey, did you hear what he just said? He's from upstate New York. He said, "Hey, y'all."
I've been saying.
That's Southern.
I've been here for almost 4 years, Vince. 4 years.
You're 4 years, easily impressible, huh? My mother and father-in-law have been here for 50 years, and they still talk like New Yorkers.
Really? They don't say y'all?
I've
been saying y'all since the day I got here. It makes sense. Good word.
Airlanes are really cool for me. The engineering of it, this hardtop completely goes down into the trunk. And then look how they engineered it. They still got your baggage in the middle of it. You can still put your luggage and everything. And this top will close back down and it'll disappear. It's amazing
cool.
That hardtop, how big it is, will just sit down in there and just disappear.
Yeah, that's cool. That's sweet. What do y'all think about this thing?
1957.
57 Skyliner, baby. Sadie. It's Sadie.
The only thing that I like about this car is how the hood, the top works. Other than that, I'm not.
There, y'all have it. Now, look at this big bad truck. This is what I thought was cool. Again, I don't know much about older cars, but
Big Dodge Power Wagon.
yeah, big power wagon.
So guys, you got to comment below and let us know, am I doing a better job than Dylan is with just recording, or is he doing a better job than me? He's probably walking right behind me. Y'all have got to check out this engine on this race car. What the heck is that? But anyway, y'all gotta let me know I'm doing a better job than he is. I know the answer, but you gotta prove it to him. So just go ahead and let him know down below. Give us some comments. Help grow our channel. We're trying to build this channel up, and hours watched and subscribers, and we appreciate it if you share it with your friends and everything. Now, this is an old school race car. Lucky number 7. 1913 Buick.
I had to pull out my camera to respond to that. The only reason why he does the same stuff I do is because I taught him. Yeah, I taught him.
Dylan.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking you to the Beaver Bar.
We're at the Beaver Bar, y'all, and we're about to see a whole lot of rubber.
Suck, bang, blow, something like that.
Something like that.
Anyway, people are lining the streets down here in Myrtle's Inlet. They have a burnout contest. People getting arrested everywhere. We just hope that we're not one of them.
Yep.
But we got backup at home in case we are.
So we brought the R8 out here. The crowd was going wild, and we couldn't do any four-wheel drive burnouts. Yeah. But now we're gonna see some rat rods doing some crazy shit, so stay tuned.
Introduce us into day 2 of Run to the Sun.
Well, Here we are at Run in the Sun. It is a really nice day.
All right, now.
Bye.
Bye.
I'll see y'all later. See you next week. You edited that out.
It's for sale, Vince.
We got us a Bronco, a Pinto wagon on a Bronco frame. For sale.
I think that's got your name written all over it.
It's a great family car.
Great family car.
Nice little cab over. Hey guys, welcome to Run to the Sun. It's a beautiful day here. Let's check out our booth and see what we got in, and we're going to show you some hot rods. Come on. All right, you guys have seen in one of our past episodes here recently. I'll put a link below if you haven't, about the Apache. It's all done, ready to go. Let's talk about it a little bit. We got 1959 Apache. Here at the engine bay, got a big block 396 board over to a 415. Holley Sniper on it. Got American billet on the front. Eddie Motorsport hinges. All custom metal work inside here. Be Cool radiator. Overall look, we sanded this down all the way to the metal and then made it look patina, fake patina, but it's all Glazert products, BASF Glazert. Look at the interior here. Oh, Cato from Cato's Custom Upholstery did our interior. Moores and Giles leather. We got a Budnick steering column, classic instrument, vintage air. Forgot to mention, big black back glass truck, flush mounted on the front and the back.
I think there's a video to that somewhere online, right?
There's a video to that.
How to do flush mounted glass or something like that?
Something like that, yeah. Mod Sports again, custom badges on it. It's called the Indian Outlaw. We torched all this wood and then cleared over it. It's got a Scott's hot rod chassis, Ride Tech and Willwood brakes on it. Well, that's about it, I guess.
I think it's pretty sweet. What y'all think? It seems like y'all love this thing. Let us know in the comments down below. What do you think of the Indian Outlaw? Let's go walk around and take a look at what else is out here.
We got another Apache on the other end of our booth that just rolled in, one of our customers from Rock Hill. Let's go check it out.
Oh,
sweet. All right, we got one of our good friends, Mike. We did some work on his 59 Apache. Yes, we got another one here. Let's take a look at it and I'll show you what we've done. Beautiful truck. So what introduced us to Mike was these wheels. He saw them on our Apache, the Indian Outlaw, and had to have them. But it was about 2 years later before he called us. So we took the truck in, put the wheels on it, we lowered it. We did a full custom interior. I think, I may be mistaken, it's been a while, we may have put the instrument cluster in it. Nate Dogg did the interior at the shop. Looks awesome. This is actually what got me to redo the interior on the Indian Outlaw. It was a bench seat, so we did all the interior on it, and we restained the bed for him, different color than what it was before. Put the Mod Sports on the back. Love this step side. I think I like it better than the fleet side, but very reliable truck for him. He drove it down from Rock Hill this year. What y'all think? Now, we always try to bring something to the show that's in the works because people like to see that, actually as much as any of the other cars. So what we did is we put, this is a 67 Roadster Shop chassis that we put together, we had in the shop. The motor and the wheels are actually going on a 93 OBS truck, but we put the motor in there, the LS3 Chevrolet Performance motor with a Whipple supercharger. And then check out these big wheels.
These are what, 405s?
405, 24-inch wheels. The OBS, we're gonna have to rebuild the whole back half of it to make those fit, but check that out. Roadster Shop chassis, Ride Tech, Moser rear end.
Look at that whipple. That's what, about 700 horse on that chassis?
I believe that's probably what it's going to be about.
Nice. Sweet booth here at Creative Rods this year. Like I said, we're gonna be walking around today showing some more cars. Hope y'all like it.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, that thing got race gas in it. Y'all want to run it? Yeah. What you gonna run to? Hey, is that as far as that window go down? There you go. What year Corvette is that? Well, dang.
All right, y'all, that's the end of a great trip to Run to the Sun Myrtle Beach. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Here's Vince loading up the plane right now. We're getting ready to get in the air. Should be a good time. We only have about a 30-minute.
You have any duct tape?
Duct tape?
Yeah, I need to tape the propellers a little bit.
Tape the propellers? What are you talking about?
Don't worry, what could go wrong? Don't worry.
What are you talking about? I don't have any duct tape, and now I'm a little worried. But either way, we'll see y'all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll see you soon. Peace.